A very good morning to all parents and students. I'm Mr. Abdul Haris, the principal of Westwood Secondary School. First of all, I would like to congratulate all Primary 6 students for having completed 6 years of education. I'm sure you have had a wonderful experience in your primary school and are looking forward to life in secondary school. Now, it is my pleasure to welcome you to Westwood Secondary School's eOpen House. Although we are unable to welcome you in person, we still wish to share with you all the wonderful things and programs that your child can go through when they come through our school gates in 2021. At Westwood Secondary School, it is our mission to provide the best education possible for every student. You will enjoy a variety of experiences inside and outside of the classroom through our CCAs and enrichment activities. As you go through the various sections of this site, you will be able to hear from our teachers and student leaders sharing their experiences in school and the Westwood brand of education. We have also included a virtual school tour so that you can view the facilities in our school and the conducive learning environment here. I hope you will have fun at this eOpen House and enjoy this virtual experience as much as we have enjoyed the process of putting it together for you. Once again, congratulations, and we hope to see you with us next year. Thank you.